everyone. I got a late start today. It's about 11:01, 66 degrees. It's getting warmer, but I ended up missing that first soccer game, which I'm really bummed about. I just didn't wake up. I woke up around 9:30, I think it was. Oh well. I'm headed down to Dean's house for the second game. Hopefully this weather clears up. You can hear it. It's raining pretty hard right now. Soccer games are at a different field today, so I'm headed there so we can all kind of go together, since I don't know where this other field is. So, just stopped and got some gas. Filled up $25.25. Something I like to do is every time I fill up the gas, I always stop it on a quarter of a dollar, either 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, or a whole dollar. I do that because just in case my card number is ever stolen or my card is ever stolen and somebody tries to run up gas, I'm going to notice it on my bank statement, because they're not going to know that I do it that way. So, a little bit of a smart tactic there. But, yeah. Hopefully this rain clears up. We shall see. I'm looking forward to being back at the soccer games. I missed last weekend because I was busy. I had a lot to do preparing for the vacation. And this weekend I was looking forward to it, but I overslept. Bummed out about that. Oh, speaking of rain stopping, it's slowed down quite a bit. But yeah, I'm almost to Gaines's house now, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Definitely has rained a good bit today. Earlier today we had a pretty good storm roll through that we got pea-sized hail. And Alex's soccer game got canceled. So just been hanging out here most of the day. And we just got back from Golden Corral for dinner. Yeah. Just enjoying the lovely springtime rainy season weather. So talk to you guys in a little bit. I was just sitting there with BB and Gaines, and we started watching Jurassic Park. Classic movie, love it. I was in 6th grade, I think, when the movie came out in theaters. We didn't get to go see it in the theater, but I love that movie. I think, yeah, Jurassic Park's coming out in 3D. I may go see that. That'd be fun to go see. But we were sitting there and I decided to check the radar. And there's another huge patch of red coming. Thunderstorm activities. And I don't know, you can't really see out, but there's like a lot of lightning activity happening, and it's headed this way. So I told him I was going to leave and try to beat this storm home. That way I wouldn't get stuck there. I mean, not that that would have been a bad thing. I just, well, hopefully I can make it back before the real heavy rain starts and the thunderstorm activity. We did have some hail earlier, and I saw on the news that there's like downed trees and power lines and all that. Just a wonderful spring storm. But, yeah, I'm driving home right now, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.